Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
From the gloomy end room, the young girl has used her ingenious hands and creativity to transform her living space into a bright, pretty house, like a high-class homestay like this. Renting a cheap hostel is the choice of most young people who have to go to school or work far from home with limited financial conditions. To save money, many people often accept to live in small and old motel rooms. However, recently a girl from China also made netizens admire when she bravely renovated her nightmare motel room into a beautiful, bright living space, like a homestay. Current direction. Accordingly, she said, the room was rented out very cheaply, but because of its cheap price, its area was only 10 meters by 2. Entering the room for the first time, in the dim light, you will see the corners of the wall covered with webs. On the yellowed wall is a series of doodles, combined with the old furniture in the room. This place gives people the feeling of being frightened, even wanting to run away immediately. The condition of the room at first made many people afraid. When the furniture was old, the walls were messed up. Many people admire my attitude of not giving in. It's not easy to accept, but I think this is normal. Try your best to improve your life and the ability that can be inherently my instinct. People, the girl said, thinking about still resolving to rent this inn, which looks a bit scary. A patchy wooden cupboard or an old vanity dressing table can hurt someone's head, but the girl comforts herself. The items are just a bit dirty, a little ugly, and the finishing touches will be okay. So the girl spends an entire day planning the F5 space she will live in the near future. The girl's sketch drawing of a room that needs renovation. First, the girl scraps off all the dirty pictures on the wall, then repaints them all with white paint. The whole room now looked brighter. Next, the girl replaced the old bed with a smaller size, a wardrobe, dressing table, and a new white coat. One side of the wall is fitted with a mirror to make the room feel larger. In addition, of course, it is indispensable to have small decorations such as lights, picture frames, photos. The total cost for the renovation of the room is nearly 6 million VND. However, according to the girl, this is not a large number because everything is a long-term investment. Furniture is also put on new clean clothes, brighter. This is the first time. I'm free to create my own living space like that, so I can't be too frugal. I just buy the things I like, but I really need it. The motel room is also home. The saying, "This is so true," said the girl. Experiencing the hard process, the results obtained must be extremely sweet already. From a gloomy room like a haunted house, the girl had successfully turned it into a lovely, neat room like a princess's room. Surely, living in such a space, our mood is always at ease. The motel room is still small, but really looks good on the eyes.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.